Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel, and today we are bringing you a what's new with our new Dualtron Storm. So the motor bearings are actually much larger, which means you can take potholes better. So you have your LED right here, and it comes with an axle carbon. So if you do fall, just like before, it actually protects your scooter. It's much more water resistant, not waterproof. So the Dualtron Storm actually features a whole new folding mechanism. So it comes with a dust cover, and like all dust covers do, it protects the inside. The whole stem is now one entire piece. It's all the way down to the bottom, so when you release the clamp, the new double clamp, it actually prevents the stem from wobbling. There's a whole new block here that connects all the way down to the neck. It comes with a better crown system, it eliminates the shaky stem, it's very rigid. And the Dualtron Storm actually also features a removable battery. The battery is totally removable with a key. So just put it in, unlock, and pull it out. You have an external voltmeter here with a charger port right there. It features rubber on the side to provide more grip. If you do require a larger standing space, that's what it's for. This plate right here is completely removable. This is anti-scratch as well, so if your scooter falls, this thing protects your scooter. So now you don't need to replace your side covers or replace anything else. Just remove the entire plate and put a new one in. So this pan is going to protect everything. So it features an LED at the bottom and the new projectors by the side, and with Dualtron lightings. Whole new sturdy side stand, totally revamped. It's height adjustable, which is much sturdier. This is your controller compartment. This is where your controller is placed. It acts as a head sink and a footrest, so that when you step on it, you can actually counter the torque. This packs a lot of torque, so it helps to actually support your feet when you move off. It provides a lot more stability. It also features signal lights and rear lights. You have 3 signal lights, brake lights. It comes with hazard and left and right signal. The LED is right here, and it comes with totally new rotors. Rotors is about 144mm, but it is more sturdy as it packs a bigger bearing inside. So these rotors are proprietary. Tires are tubeless, so whenever you get a puncture, you can plug it in like how you would with a car. You get stem LEDs. This is the control module, and it actually controls the lights. It has an on-off switch for the lights, the horn, hazard light, and this is the Eco Turbo mode. So when you press it, it turns to Eco mode. When you release it, it is Turbo mode, and it also features an all-new LED. Pretty! Thank you for watching the video. You know the drill. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Thank you. Bye!